This is how a microwave cured cancer. A man with stage 4 lung cancer heated his dinner late at night, but accidentally left the microwave running with its door open all night and went to sleep. Where in the kitchen, the microwave keeps releasing the microwaves whole night while the patient is in the deep sleep. Fortunately, he is sleeping a little far away from the microwave. Because of that distance, instead of harming his body, the microwave kills only the cancer cells in his lungs. The next morning, the patient just woke up with completely cure of stage 4 lung cancer.